Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix your account has been disabled in App Store and iTunes Store. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing this type of issue that whenever you want to use your App Store, installing or purchasing any app, you see an error which is your account has been disabled in the App Store or the iTunes Store. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you have to simply go back from here and you have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection. Then you have to also make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, you have to go to your settings app, tap on your Apple ID here, and then select sign in and security option. And you just have to select this change password option and just try to change your Apple ID password. So here you must have to verify yourself using your Face ID or your iPhone passcode. So after verifying your Face ID, you must face this security delay. You have to start security delay from here and then wait for almost 1 hour. So after 1 hour, you can easily change your Apple ID passwords. After changing your Apple ID password, you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. Or you can also try to open your App Store and just try to sign out your Apple ID from your App Store by tapping on your Apple ID. And here, just select the sign out option. At the end of screen here, just tap on sign out. And once you have signed out, you have to re-sign in your Apple ID. Just tap on sign in with Apple account and then tap on this continue option to re-sign in if it's your Apple ID in App Store. And after re-signing in, if you're still facing the same issues, this is the only way. You have to simply go back from here and open Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your App Store or you can use Apple Support Web. And here just select your iPhone. Then tap on this more option. Now you have to select App Store or you can also select iTunes Store. So let's say I'm gonna select my App Store from here and then tap on Get More Help. Then tap on Call Us. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple Support. Remember, you can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.